Hey, welcome back to the Stay Home Artist channel. Today I'm going to show you the open wheel stitch. We're going to begin by adding some spokes to our wheel using a straight stitch, and you can add as many as you want, just make sure it's an uneven number. Now I'm going to bring my needle up between two of the spokes and bring my needle underneath. The next spoke I'm going to go over top, following one I'm going to come underneath, and each time we're just going to alternate what spoke we're going over or under. The reason you need an uneven number of spokes is because it will allow you to alternate each time you come around to the same spoke. If you run out of thread in the middle of the stitch like I did, just bring your working thread and your needle over top one of the spokes so you can secure your little weave here. And then I just began just like I did in the beginning by bringing my needle up between two of the spokes and continuing just like we did. And then when you get to a point on your wheel where most of the spokes are covered, what I like to do is secure the weave by coming over one of the spokes. And now I'm going to add straight stitches around the perimeter of my wheel just to cover up any of the stitching that I don't want to show through, as well as these lines that I have printed on. And when you're done, you can go ahead and knot off your thread at the back. Mine is a little junky looking here. And that's the open wheel stitch. I always like to finish it off with some French knots to make it look like a flower. So I'm going to use some tapestry wool and just add some French knots. I have a tutorial on that I'll link above if you haven't tried that stitch. And that's really all there is to it. Thanks for joining me. I hope you learned something new. Please hit subscribe and like and comment on this video. I know it's annoying, but it helps me so much. Thanks for being here.